Welcome to the CARA Cosmetics Camino collection. I just finished with our model Kylie and it is a gorgeous look. And I'm going to show you the shades that we have. This is our fall winter collection and we have 5 different shades plus our contour shade, which is Camino. But we have Lugo, Malta, Santiago, which is a gorgeous blue, deeper slate brownish blue with some gold flecks in it. It's kind of hard to describe until you put it on. Then we have more of a cobalt blue and then an aqua. So all 5 of these shades I've utilized, and I'm going to show you just quickly how to apply this look. The first thing I did was foundation with our Hydrolux, and then I also did Luna Skin Shimmer. So strategically on the highlight, so the nose, a little bit on the forehead, the cheekbones, so you just kind of create that gorgeous complexion. Then the next step that I did was on her eyes. So you start off with the CARA Eye Primer, and you just take that all the way from the lash line up to the brow. And then the next step that I did was Malta. So I applied Malta right into the crease area. That's going to be your transition shade with our number 15 brush. So a crease blender, you go into Malta, and then I applied with our number 22 brush, I applied Rua, which is this beautiful light blue, all along the lower lid. The next step is I deepened it right here with Lugo. And I took this color in with our number 23 brush. If you haven't tried this brush, you definitely want to add it to your collection. And I just smoked it up right onto the edge. So this is a matte color and it gives that smoldery look. And then the next step was a brown pencil along the lash line, top and bottom, very, very thin on the bottom. And then for the next step, I like to smoke out the liner so it looks a little bit softer. And I went in with the color Santiago over the lash line. So you just take that right along here and kind of add a little bit of depth. And then underneath the eye, I went back in with number 23. And I added a little bit of Melide, and that is this beautiful shimmer color, and just smoked it out underneath. And that is beautiful for anybody. If you want it, you can make it more intense, you can make it softer, and then you put on some lash thickener and mascara, and that is your gorgeous look right there. I just finished it up with her lips, and I did add Angel and Terra. Those are the 2 lip colors that I have. But that is a really easy look to do. Check it out at caracosmetics.com. You're going to take Camino at the end and just contour your cheekbone, add a little bit of color to the forehead, and try all the different variations that you can do with the Camino. So we look forward to sharing this look with you and exploring it. Thanks.